Display size. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 6.7 inches. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is 6.43 inches. Display resolution. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 1080 into 2412 pixels, with 394 ppi density. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is 1080 into 2400 pixels, with 409 ppi density. Display type. Realme 10 Pro Plus is Super AMOLED display. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is AMOLED display. Display protector. Realme 10 Pro Plus is Corning Gorilla Glass. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Operating system. Realme 10 Pro Plus is Android 13, Realme UI 4.0. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is Android 11, upgradable to Android 12, MIUI 13. Chipset. Realme 10 Pro Plus is MediaTek Dimensity 1080. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G. Processor. Realme 10 Pro Plus is octa-core processor. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is octa-core processor. GPU. Realme 10 Pro Plus is Mali G68MC4. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is Adreno 610. GPU. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 6GB, 8GB, and 12GB. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is 4GB and 6GB. ROM. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 128GB and 256GB. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is 64GB and 128GB. Front camera. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 16MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is 13MP wide-angle camera, with 1080p video recordings. Back camera. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 108MP wide, 8MP ultra-wide, and 2MP macro camera, with 720p, 1080p and 4K video recordings. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is 50MP wide, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP macro, and 2MP depth camera, with 1080p video recordings. Connectivity. Realme 10 Pro Plus is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, CDMA 2000, LTE, and 5G. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is GSM, HSPA, and LTE. Battery. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 5000 mAh battery, with 67 watt fast charging. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is 5000 mAh battery, with 33 watt fast charging. Market price. Realme 10 Pro Plus is approximate $450 in Amazon. Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 is approximate $160 in Amazon. Winner.